Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. Hello friends, I am Mansur Ahmed Mangi from University Campus Larkana, and in this lecture I will tell you about what is the computer networking. In the computer networking, we discuss about what is the computer networking and its protocols and its type of computer and its network of the computer system. So, what is the computer networking? Computer networking is a set of computer connections together for the purpose of sharing resource. The most common resource shared today is a connection to the internet. Other shared resources can be included the printer, a file server. The internet itself can be considered a computer network. Here you see the diagram of computer network, means all the devices which are internally connect with the internet. So, the computer networking is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocols over the digital interconnection for the purpose of sharing resources located on the providing by the network. Purpose of sharing resources located of the between nodes are found from the board streaming. The telecommunication network is a technology based on the physical wire, optical wire, and the radio frequency method that may be arranged in a vertical of networking. So the nodes of computer network is the classified means the personal computer, service network hardware, or the journal to the personal computer server. Means that definitely all the host name of the connectly change after the initial assignment network addressing. Server the location identifier, the nodes of communication protocols such as the internet protocols, and the computer network may be classified as a means of Centralia of the example transmission communication modem use the carry signals, bandwidth, and the communication protocol of the organized traffic with the network size of topology. Traffic control mention all the possibilities which are the best on the computer system. The location of the change of the initial network that we address the server location identify the nodes by the communication protocol such as the internet protocol. So here is the type of computer networking is a LAN, local area network, WAN the wide area network, again global area network, and main metropolitan area network, CAN is a control area network, and VPN virtual private network. So the local area network is the computer network that the interconnection with the computer with the limited area, means all the pieces, all the client which connect each other in a separate area, that's called the local area network. Like school, colleges, institution, they all the connection are the same area, that's called the local area network. And second is the wide area network. Wide area network is a telecommunication network that we extend over the large geography area for the primary purpose of computer networking. Means in this wide area network, the the pieces of set connection between the one building to the inner building. That's called the wide area network. And global area network, that refer to the network composed of the different interconnection networks that cover the ultimate geography in the connection area. Means all the physical parts connection with the same connection, that's called the global area network. A metropolitan area network is a set of computer network that interconnect between the hardware and the server side computer. Means all the local area which connect with the one server, that's called the metropolitan area network. And also controller area network. Controller based architecture, the controlling need to communication with the network devices, means a device which connection between each other that maintain the control area network. And the last one is the virtual private network, is a private computer network deployed over a public telecommunication network such as the internet of the VPN. Typically network include over the more connection copyright internet of the local area network, means the LAN. So here you see the diagram of LAN, WAN, and MAN. And also again LAN is the local area network, means one area PCs are connected. PAN is a different devices are connected with the one device, that's called a PAN. And the WAN is also combination of local area network, they connect with each other, that's called the WAN area network. And the main are the local area connect with the one devices, that's called the main area network. So here is the difference between the LAN, WAN and main. The parameter ownership of network of the LAN is private, and the WAN of private or public, and main private or public. And geographically area over of LAN is small, and the WAN of the very large, and the main of the moderate. Design and maintenance of LAN is easy, WAN is not easy, and main is also not easy. Communication modem, coaxial cable, and WAN of the PXN or sealed links, and the main of communication modem is the coaxial cable, PSTN optical fiber cable, wireless. And the bandwidth of LAN is low, and bandwidth of WAN is high, and bandwidth of the main is a moderate. Data refer of LAN is high, and data refer of the main is low, and the WAN of and the data refer speed of main is moderate. So here we are discussing about the network classification by their components rules. So there are local area network coming to the two pairs. First one is a peer-to-peer network, and second is a client server network. So first here you see the diagram of server based and P2P network, means peer-to-peer network. Server based means all the PCs are connect with the one hub, that's called the all the PCs connect, all the client connect with the one server, that's called the server based communication. And all the networks which connect interrelated with each other, that's called peer-to-peer network. In a peer-to-peer network, then a peer-to-peer, each other computer are responsible for making your own resources available in the other computer on network, and each computer responsible for the setting up and the maintenance and security for these resources. And also each computer is responsible for the accessing the required network resources from the peer-to-peer relationship. And peer-to-peer relationship network, the useful of the small network container of the least 10 computer on a single LAN. In a peer-to-peer network, each computer can function both client and server, and the network do not have the central control system there or network peer-to-peer. The peer-to-peer network means all the connection PCs are internally connected with each other, that's called peer-to-peer network. And here is some advantages of and disadvantages of peer-to-peer networking. So first we discuss about the advantages of peer-to-peer, means use least expensive, is a lower cost computer hardware, easy to administer, no nodes required, more built-in redundancy, easy to set up. And the disadvantages of peer-to-peer, not very secure, no central point of storage of file, achievement, additional load of computer. And we discussing about the server based connection. In the client server network relationship, certain the computer act in the together of the client and server, simply a computer that available for the network resources and provide service of other computer. When the request of client of computer is running the program requests of the server based and client server, then local area network is based on the client server and network relationship. A client network is which of the available network data such as a file, directories, applications, shared devices are centrally managed and housed, and the resources of the client side server network means all the PCs, all the clients which are internally connected with the server, this is called the server based network. So here we discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of discussing about client server network. So at first we discuss about the advantages, very secure, better performance, centralized backup, very reliable. And disadvantages of client server network, required professional administration, more hardware intensive, more software intensive, and expensive detected software. So now we're discussing about the topologies. There is the physical way in which computers are connected. The five basic network structure where the network are internally connected with each other. The physically connection. So first one, the store topology, where are the client which internally connect with the hub with coaxial cable. That's called a store topology. Means a store topology implementation of the spoken hub distribution paradigm, the computer network. In the store topology, every host connection with the hub, the simply from the central government central act in the continuity of the transmission message. The store topology network then can be most common computer network topology, the hub and host, then the transmission line between them from the graph, the topology of star. Data in a star network passes through the hub before the continuing the destination of the hub manager to the controlling the all the continuing system destination with the hub and manager controlling all the function of network. It is also act like a repeating of the data flow. The star topology can reduce the implement of the transmission by line failure by the independently connection each host to hub. Each most there's a run communication between the all the transmission of the receiving from the hub, all the condition, all the information we get from the hub system. The content and the failure of transmission linking the host of hub will failure the isolation of the host from other the resist, and the network will be infected to the star topology. And here is the advantages of star topology. It is easy to add a new remove nodes, and a nodes failure does not bring the letdown the entry network, and it is the easier to diagnose the network problem through the central hub. Second one, the bus topology. In a bus network, all the section can be every station receive all the network traffic, and the traffic generated by the each station has equal transmission, and the and transmission probability by the bus network forms a network segment of the console domain of the nodes. Then start they are conveniently modem with the technologies such as the calculation instrument and the CSMA or the bus master. And the some advantages of bus topology means it is very easy to connect a computer for the physical LAN bus, require least cable length, and is a lower cost. The linear achievement of the simply reliable, the works with small network, and it's easy to exchange the computer by the coaxial cable or any cable system. So here we are discussing about the ring topology. Ring topology is a network topology such as a nodes connection with the entire two nodes, formatting signal communication pathway. The signal through the each nodes or write data can be nodes each node along the way of handling every packet. Rings can be understanding with the traffic traveling either the clockwise or anti-clockwise around the ring, and underwrite the snowcode because the underhanding of the ring topology provides only one pathway between the any two nodes. Indirection ring network may be disturbed by the failure of the nodes and signal links. Responsible some network and either the root end and the ring from the reduction of the event break system. So now here we are discussing about the mesh topology. Mesh topology is also connection of the local area network, means all the clients which connect with the each other. That's called the mesh topology. Means simply mesh topology where the interface nodes bring the switches, the interfaces devices connect directly, dynamically, non-hierarchically of the another efficiency route from the client leg, and the dependence of the node allow the node and implementary of the information map topology. And the tree topology. In a tree topology, all nodes have any roots. The first you can see the first PC in the top, that's called the root, and all the line with all root connect with the those computer, that's called the child server. A tree network established, that is the hybrid network topology, is it's a network or the interconnect by the bus tree network hierarchy, and each node can be having a ability number of child node. Means the first one is the parents node, and these are the child nodes. And last one we discussing about the protocols. A network protocol is the established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between the different devices in the same network, establish the law of connection, Connected devices communicate each other regardless of the any difference their internal process structured by the design. So last one, the type of protocol, TCP, transmission control protocol, internet protocol, file transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. TCP transfer control protocol is a connection of oriented communication protocol that facilitates the exchange of message between computing devices in the network. It is the most common protocol, and network use the protocol IP together. They are sometimes referred to the TCP. Second one is IP Internet Protocol. It is a protocol of set of rules for routing the addressing packet of the data so that they can travel across the network and arrive the correct destination data traveling in the internet divided into the similar piece of packeting. The third one is the FTP file transfer protocol, extended network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between the client and server on the computer network. FTP is built on the client server model achievement using the asset control and the data connection between the client and server. So the last one is the HTTP, is a hypertext transfer protocol. Is a connection. Connectionless text-based protocol. Client web browsing send requests to the web server for the web elements such as web pages and images. After that, request is serviced by a server. The communication between client and server across the internet is disconnected. A few connection numbers be made for each request. So guys, thank you so much.